This is your neighbor, Brenda. She has a vintage, slightly moldy, but deeply loved bread maker. It's her prized possession, currently worth $10,000. But Brenda is nervous. She thinks the bread maker market is about to collapse. And this is exactly how put options work. A put option is a magic, legally binding IOU that is also a financial parachute. It gives the owner the right to sell an asset, like a stock or a crusty bread maker, at a fixed price, even if the market price drops to zero. Let's shift to the real world. You own 100 shares of a giant like Apple, currently trading at $190 per share. You think the stock is heading for a fall, maybe a collapse down to $150 per share. You need that parachute. You buy a put option. You pay a small non-refundable fee, the premium, perhaps $400 total. This fee is the cost of the insurance. The contract gives you the right to sell your 100 shares of Apple for a guaranteed strike price of $180 per share, valid until a specific expiration date. This $180 is your floor. Now, let's see the two ridiculous but accurate outcomes. Scenario 1, the disaster strike. The stock market goes full bread maker collapse. Apple stock reports a disaster and plummets to $150 per share. It's a tragedy. You immediately exercise your put option. You force the person who sold you the contract to buy your worthless $150 shares for the promised strike price of $180. You sell the shares for $180 even though they were only worth $150. You profit, 180 minus 150 equals $30 per share. Minus your $400 premium, you walk away with $2,600. You profited because the price fell. The option is in the money. It worked its magic. Scenario 2. The stock goes to the moon. The company releases a self-driving toaster. The stock soars to $220 per share. You are now richer than Brenda. Would you sell your $220 shares for the guaranteed $180 price? Absolutely not. That would be insane. You sell your shares on the open market for $220 and make your profit there. Your put option expires unused, worthless confetti. You lose the $400 premium, which was the small cost of the insurance policy you didn't need. The option is out of the money. A put option is a contract that becomes more valuable as the price of the underlying asset, like a stock, goes down. You buy a put option if you think the stock will drop below the strike price so you can sell it for a profit. You are betting the parachute will be needed. You sell a put option if you think the stock will stay high and you just want to pocket the upfront premium. A put option gives you the right to literally put the stock to somebody else at a predetermined price, protecting you from that nasty financial dumpster fire. It's your emergency bread maker insurance policy.